So here's how to change voice in Suno AI. First up, let's head over to the suno.com website. From here, you need to sign in or sign up for an account if you don't have one. So now we will sign in. After that, you'll be here in the dashboard. Now, let's go over to the left panel and click on Create. Once you're in the Create page, click on Custom from the top. Over here, you can click on the audio option and select Upload. After that, choose a song of your liking and click on Agree, and then click on Save. So as you can see, the song is now being uploaded. Click on Continue, and once it's done uploading, it will be visible right here. So from here, let's click on the Remix or Edit option, then click on Use Styles and Lyrics. And as you can see on the left side, the lyrics have been generated automatically. And right below it on the styles, you can customize it according to your preference. Now, click on Advanced Options. Over here on Vocal Gender, you can choose between male and female. Choose the one that you want, and the voice will be generated accordingly. And once it's all set up, click on Create. And that is exactly how to change voice in Suno AI.